Most people quit building wealth not because they're failing, but because they think they are. You check your bank account. It doesn't look impressive. You see retirement calculators spitting out seven-figure numbers, headlines screaming about retirement crisis, and you start thinking, I'm behind and I'll never catch up. So you stop trying. But guess what? A lot of people who feel behind are actually ahead. They just don't know how to read the signs. Today, I'm going to show you 9 signs you're building wealth faster than you think, even if your account balance doesn't look dramatic yet. Some of these are obvious, some will surprise you, but all of them matter. Let's see where you really stand. Sign number 1. You're investing consistently, even small amounts. Most people obsess over the amount, but in the beginning, the amount barely matters. The habit does. If you're investing $200 a month at 27 into a Roth IRA or 401k, that may feel small. But over 35 years at 7%, that's over $300,000, not because you were rich, because you were consistent. And here's the real perspective. The median retirement savings for Americans under 35 is under $20,000. So if you've been investing consistently for even a few years, there's a real chance you're already ahead of most people your age. Small and steady is not the backup plan, it is the strategy. Sign number 2, you get the full employer match. This one's simple. If your employer matches every dollar you contribute to your 401k up to 6% of your salary, and you actually contribute 6% of your salary, you just turned every dollar you invested automatically into $2 instantly. That's a guaranteed 100% return before investing even begins. And here's what's wild. About 1 in 4 eligible workers don't even take the full match. If you are, you're already operating at a higher level than millions of people. This is absolutely free money, and free money matters. Sign number 3, you have a Roth IRA, and you understand why. A Roth IRA isn't just a retirement account, it's a tax strategy. You pay taxes now. But later when you want to use that money in retirement, that is tax-free. If you're contributing regularly, even if you're not maxing it, you understand something most people don't. Investment diversification is good. Tax diversification is powerful. That's not beginner behavior, that's long-term thinking. Sign number 4, your savings rate increased when your income did. This is a big one. Lifestyle inflation quietly destroys wealth. If you get a raise, but simultaneously you upgrade your apartment, car, and even weekend activities, well, guess what happens to your savings rate? It either stays the same or actually decreases. But if you've ever gotten a raise and increased your savings rate proportionally, even slightly, you're doing something most people struggle with. Going from saving 10% to 12% may not feel dramatic, but over 30 years, it changes a lot. If your savings rate is 15% plus in your 20s, 18% plus in your 30s, 20% plus in your 40s, you're building serious momentum, and this momentum has a lot of time to compound into serious wealth. Sign number 5, you have a real emergency fund. An emergency fund isn't boring, it's protection for your future self. Without it, one medical bill or job loss can force you to go into high interest debt, or cash out investments at the worst possible time. Both interrupt compounding. If you have 3 to 6 months of expenses saved, or you're actively building it, you've protected your wealth trajectory. And right now, high-yield savings accounts are paying 4 to 5%. So your safety net is quietly earning money too. That counts. Sign number 6. You know your net worth. This one separates people fast. If you know even roughly what you own minus what you owe, you're already ahead. Most people know their paycheck. They know their rent. They try not to look at the rest, but people who track their net worth, even casually, make better decisions because they see cause and effect. Spend recklessly, they see their net worth drops. Invest consistently, they know their net worth rise. You can't manage what you don't measure. If you've opened a spreadsheet or used an app to track it, if not, I want to shamelessly plug here that I am giving away my free personal finance tracker to my subscribers. It's a spreadsheet that will help you track your income and expenses so you know exactly how fast you're saving towards your rich life. Go into the description below to find out how to download it. If you appreciate this, please hit the like and subscribe button for me. Thank you. Sign number 7, you're close to age-based benchmarks. Let's get specific. A common retirement framework suggests by 30, you should have saved approximately 1 times your salary, by 40, 3 times, by 50, 6 times, by 67 10 times. If you're anywhere near those numbers, even 80 to 90% there, you're doing better than you probably feel, because the median American nearing retirement doesn't come close. Perspective matters. If you're within range, you're not behind. You're ahead of average. Sign number 8, you don't carry credit card debt. Wealth isn't just what you build, it's what you don't leak. If you pay your credit card in full every month, you're avoiding 20 to 24% interest working against you. That's massive. You're using credit as a tool, not letting it use you. There is no visible trophy for this one. But the long-term impact is enormous, because paying high interest on credit card spendings can very quickly eat away at your financial goals. Sign number 9, you're even thinking about this. This might be the biggest one. The people who fall furthest behind financially aren't bad at math. They just don't pay attention. If you're watching this video, asking whether you're on track, comparing benchmarks, trying to improve, you're already in the minority. Most people watch TV and scroll social media longer than they review their retirement contributions. Awareness compounds, curiosity compounds, intentionality compounds. You being here is important. Take it seriously. Action plan. What should you do from here? Now, maybe you're hitting 6 of these signs, maybe you're hitting 3, or maybe just 1. That's fine. Nobody hits every benchmark perfectly. Life is expensive, income isn't linear, saving isn't easy. But here's the move. Don't try to fix everything. Pick the one sign closest to your reach. Not getting the full employer match? Start there. Don't have a Roth IRA? Open one. Never calculated net worth? Do it tonight by using my free personal finance tracker linked to you in the description below. Lock in one win. Let momentum build. Then stack the next one. Wealth isn't built in one dramatic leap. It's built in quiet, boring consistency. Exactly the kind you're already capable of. If this video helped you reframe where you are financially, hit like. If you're serious about building wealth without the hype, please subscribe as I'm trying to get to 10,000 subscribers. And remember, feeling behind doesn't mean you are. Check out these other 2 videos that might also help you to better understand how you are doing financially.